Children, it is activity page 26 for day 25. Activity page 26 for day 25. It is a activity on the solids, LSA, TSA and volume of the solids. Now you take the activity on the cylinder, LSA, TSA and volume of the cylinder. First, about the lateral surface area of cylinder. What is the formula to find the lateral surface area of the cylinder? LSA of the cylinder is equals to 2 pi RH. Here what is R? R is the radius of the cylinder and H is the height of the cylinder. So by using this formula, children, calculate the lateral surface area of the cylinder by using the given radius and height. Now take the first cylinder. Here the radius R is 2 cm and H is 3 cm. In the column first you write the value of the radius and in the second column you write the value of the height. And in the next column you write the formula for the LSA. So LSA is equals to 2 into 5 into R into H, 2 pi RH. Substitute the value of pi, R and H. Here you write 2 as it is and you write the value of pi. Pi value is 22 by 7 and R value is 2, given here 2 and H value is 3. Then 2 22s are 44, 44 2s are 88, 88 into 3, 88 into 3 by 7, that equals 8 3s are 24, 2, 8 3s are 24 plus 2, 26 by 7. cm square you can write. Next, here you can divide 264 by 7, that you can convert this into decimal and also you can write. Here if 264 is divided by 7, 7 3s are 21, 5 is remaining, 4 you take, 7 7s are 49, 5 is remaining, take point and put 0, 7 7s are 49, 1 is remaining, 1 you can write, 7 1s are 7, like this way approximately it is equals to 37.71. Here 3 will get 7 and 4 cm square. 30 is there, means 7 4s are 28, you can take the 714. For second cylinder, here R is 2 cm and H is 1 cm. So you write the radius R is 2 cm and H is 1 cm. Write the formula for the LSA of the cylinder and calculate the LSA. Here also the radius is 3 cm and height is 2 cm. Write the radius, height and LSA formula and also calculate the LSA. Here radius is 1 cm, height is 4 cm. Write here radius 1 cm, height 4 cm. Write the formula for LSA and calculate. The next, here radius is 5 cm, height is 10 cm. Here also you write the radius 5 cm, height 10 cm and write the formula for the LSA of the cylinder. So if you take this one, here you write R is 2 cm, H is 1 cm and the formula for LSA is 2 pi RH, then it is 2 into 22 by 7 into R is radius 2 into H is 1 cm. Then you can write 2 22s are 44, 44 2s are 88, 88 by 7 cm square. If you divide 88 by 7, you will get 7 1s are 7 1. Then here 7 2s are 14, 4 remaining, 4 0, take point here. Then 7 5s are 35, 5 is remaining and 7 7s are 49. So you can take approximately 12.57 12.57 cm square. Now about the TSA of cylinder. What is the formula to find the TSA of a cylinder? TSA of a cylinder equals 2 pi r into r plus h. That is TSA equals 2 pi r into r plus h. It is the sum of the area of the two bases of the cylinder and the curved surface area, that is LSA of the cylinder. So you will get 2 pi r into r plus h. Children, by using this formula and by using the given r and h, calculate the TSA of cylinder. Here cylinders are there and r and h are given. Use the formula TSA equals 2 pi r into r plus h cm square and find the total surface area. Find TSA. So you write TSA. Here r is 2 cm, h is 3 cm, r 2 cm, h 3 cm. Write the formula for TSA equals 2 into pi into r into r plus h. Then in the place of 2 you write 2, in the place of pi you write 22 by 7, and in the place of r here you write 2 into 2 plus 3. Then here you will get 2 into 22 is 44, 44 into 2 is 88 into 7 into 2 plus 3 is 5. So you got 88 by 7 into 5. It is 88 by 7 into 5, and 88 into 5 is 440. 440 by 7 you will get 62.8571 cm square. Then you take the second one. Here r is 2 cm, h is 1 cm. So you write r 2 cm, h 1 cm. Then you write the formula for TSA. TSA equals 2 pi r into r plus h. That is 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 2 into r plus h is 2 plus 1. That equals 2 into 22 into 2, that is 44 into 2 is 88 into 3 by 7. And 88 into 3 is 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24 plus 2, 26 by 264 by 7. Then you divide 264 by 7. 7 3s are 21. 5 is remaining. 5 4. 7 7s are 49. 5 is remaining. Put 0 and take decimal point here. Then 7 7s are 49. 1 is remaining. 1 0. 7 1s are 7. 3 is remaining. 7 4s are 28. Like this way you will get approximately, that is equals to 37.714 cm square. That is the TSA of the cylinder. TSA of the cylinder with the radius 2 cm and height 1 cm. Next cylinder, radius 3 cm and height 2 cm. Write the radius here, height here. Write the formula for the TSA of the cylinder and substitute the value of r and h. Next one, here you take r equals 1 cm and h equals 4 cm, 1 and 4. Then you write the formula for the TSA of the cylinder. TSA equals 2 pi r into r plus h, and substitute the values of r and h and calculate. Then you take r equals 5 cm, h equals 10 cm. Then write the formula for r and write the value of r and h and write the formula for TSA. Substitute the value of r and h and calculate TSA. Next, volume of a cylinder. What is the formula to find the volume of a cylinder? Volume of a cylinder equals pi r square h. Here also r is the radius, h is the height. That is V equals pi r square h. Children, here r and h are given. Find the volume of the cylinder by using that radius and height. Here it is a column for cylinder, and it is a column for r, and it is a column for h, and it is a column for the volume. Here you take the value of r and here you take the value of h and write the formula for V and calculate the volume. Then first one you take, here r is 2 cm, h is 3 cm. Here you write 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Then you write the formula for V. V equals pi into r square into h. You know the value of pi, that is 22 by 7. You write 22 by 7 into r value is 2. Write 2 square. H value is 3. Then 22 by 7. 2 square is 4. You must know that 2 into 2 and write 3. Then the product of these two, you will get 22 4 is 88, 88 into 3, 88 into 3 you will get 8 3 is 24, 8 3 is 24 plus 2, 26, 264 by 2 which is equals to 37.71 cm cube. The volume of the cylinder with radius 2 cm and height h equals 3 cm is 37.71 cm cube. Then next you take the cylinder with radius 2 cm and height 1 cm. Here you write 2 cm, here you write 1 cm and write the formula for V and calculate V. The next cylinder with radius 3 cm and height 2 cm, write 3 cm, 2 cm, write the formula for V and calculate the volume. Then for next cylinder, R equals 2 cm, H equals 4 cm, write here 1 cm, 4 cm and write the formula for V and calculate. The last cylinder, R equals 5 cm and H equals 10 cm. Write 5 cm, 10 cm and write the formula for V and calculate the volume of the cylinder.